In this video, we are going to look at how to draw an ellipse using the 4-center method. The major diameter has a distance of 120 millimeters and the minor diameter has a distance of 80 millimeters. So let's draw a horizontal baseline. Measure 12 centimeters. Now the center of this line will be at the 6 centimeter mark. Now let's draw a perpendicular line through the center. Like I said, the minor diameter has a distance of 80 millimeters. So we'll have 40 millimeters at the top, 40 millimeters at the bottom. I'm going to name here C and here D and O. Now join A and C. Now use AO as a distance. Stand at O and draw an arc to meet this line. I'm going to call this point E. Now take the distance CE, stand at C and draw an arc to meet this line. I'm going to name this point M. Now bisect line AM. Stand at M and open more than half the distance AM. With the same measurement, stand at A and cross the arc. Now call this point 1 and this point 2. We are going to transfer the distance O1 to this line. Similarly, we will transfer the distance O2 to this line. I'm going to call this point 3. and this 4. Now draw a straight line from 4 through 1. Similarly, we will draw a line from 2 through 3. Another one from 4 through 3. We are having 4 centers and ready to draw our ellipse. Turn at point 2 and open to C. Now stand at point 4 and draw an arc. Next, stand at point 1 and open to A to draw the arc. We now stand at 3 and open to B. We are done. Thanks for watching.